Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off active status on Viber. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off active status on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, on the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button with the three dotted icon and you will land over here where it says the settings. Just above my notes, tap on the settings, and on this interface tap on privacy, and over here it says the share online status, which is the second one. It also says you can change the settings once every 24 hours. I have unchecked it, guys, because in order to turn off our active status we'll be required to uncheck it. For that, guys, if it's on your phone, make sure that you have tapped on it and unchecked it. That way, guys, your active status on Viber will be turned off. And guys, this is how to turn off active status on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.